boys and girls, this week for English you are doing the same thing that you did last week but with a different letter. So for Tuesday this week, it says that you need to read the letter from Matilda to Tommy, and you need to discuss how language in the letter, particularly the use of the word native, reflects the particular cultural attitudes towards Indigenous peoples at the time. You need to explain that the author Jackie French is writing authentically in the language of the time. Ask students how this influences their response to the letter generally. So what that basically means is we're going to read the letter, Matilda to Tommy, and you're going to have a look at native, and you're going to have a think about how that is reflective of time and place, possibly. After you have done that, I want you to write down definitions for any unfamiliar words in the letter that you don't know. I have given some examples here: miles, swag, mending, stroke, penny. But if there are any other words that you do not know, please make sure that you highlight them in the letter and you write them down and give me a definition. You can either write a definition, you can write a sentence, whatever helps you remember what that word means. After you have done that, you are just going to answer these focus questions. So who are the significant people featured in the personal letter, and how do you know? What is the purpose of the letter? How do you think Matilda feels about her life and why? And what do you think is the relationship between Matilda and Tommy? What part of the letter gives you this clue? Now, we are in year 6, so we are answering in complete sentences. So when the question says, who are the significant people featured in the personal letter? You start with the significant people in the letter are, and you tell me who they are. I know this because, and then you tell me how you know. So you must write incomplete sentences, please, boys and girls. Same as for this one down here. What is the purpose of the letter? The purpose of the letter is, and then tell me what it is. The letter that you are looking for is attached to your work today, and this is that is Wednesday's work, and then this is it here, letter from Matilda to Tommy. It's not a very big letter, so have a go at reading that. Think about the word native and answer those questions for me.